back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Thank you, Brian. Once again, as your O'Reilly Auto Parts Heat Race number 1 is going to be on the Speedway, as it looks like we're going to get things ready to go. It's Tyler Arrington once again out on the inside, starting on the pole. It's Jordan Wesley, Zach Size, Ethan Toder, Gnarly Ellison, Ace Claiborne, and Caleb Todd going to round up the field. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to get things started. It's been a long time coming here at Lake Cumberland Speedway. Been rained out last weekend, and we're ready to get these late models fired off. The American All-Star Series is ready as they're going to tiptoe their way down on the backstretch here. It's Tyler Arrington and Jordan Wesley going to be through the middle of turn 3 and 4 as we're getting ready to get to the All-American start zone. As we are ready to go, we get set off here at Lake Cumberland. Good start early. You got the number 9 of Size, so going to be right there to the inside of that number 51. As it's going to be the 07-02 machine of Tyler Arrington out in front. You got a lot of great battles. The number 51 of Jordan Wesley to the outside. Zach Size going to teeth to the inside. Great battle for second and third. As it's going to be Jordan Wesley and that number 51 machine. Zach Size right there to the inside. Starting to single file out in the middle of 3 and 4. Race leader, the 002 ride. It's still going to be Tyler Arrington still out in front. As the field now starting to get single-filed, race leader Tyler Arrington still out in front, but here comes Jordan Wesley. He's looking to start to close the gap, but he's losing in the middle of 3 and 4. Jordan Wesley now to the outside in the 51. Here comes Zach in that number 9. Size looking to the inside, almost door to door. Dives it in deep in 3 and 4. Zach Size looking for that second place position. Arrington in that 002 machine absolutely flooring it. He is dominant so far here as we are halfway to go this time around for the 002 of Tyler Arrington. As the 51 of Jordan Wesley still holding on to that second position. Zach Size looking to the inside in turn number 2. As the 51 machine of Jordan Wesley still hanging on. As in the 002 machine of Tyler Arrington still there, but that battle for second is still looking good. Zach Size there back to the inside in turn 1 and 2. Leads to the 51 machine of Jordan Wesley to the outside. They're going to battle it out down on the backstretch. Arrington still leads with a white flag. Going to be this time by as the battle for second begins. As is Jordan Wesley to the outside. The number 9 of Zach Size to the inside, door to door in turns 1 and 2. As down on the backstretch here, Zach Size still door to door in the backstretch. As it's going to be Tyler Arrington, your winner. Big slide job for the 9 of Size. And Size going to take it in the middle of 3 and 4. 23 of Ethan Toder, Harley Ellison, and Ace Claiborne will round out the field. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Tyler Arrington is your winner here for heat race number 1 for the O'Reilly Auto Parts. Second's going to go to Zach Size. After that's going to go to Jordan Wesley. Going to be Ethan Toder, the 52 of Harley Ellison, and Ace Claiborne. Looks like Tim Darron at number 23 machine is going to go to the rear. It looks like he was scheduled to start there on the inside there on the 3rd row. But anyway, we're ready to go here for the outside groove heat race number 2. 8 laps going to be the distance. All cars are going to go to the show. It's going to be Trevor Size and Michael Chilton. Are we going to have a really good race here once again as they're going to tiptoe their way to the American All-Stars start zone in the middle of 3 and 4. Size has got it as we're going to get ready. They're tiptoeing their way through. As Size is right there, we're ready to go. Green flag for the outside groove heat race number 2, and we're underway. Great battle looking to the outside. It's going to be that number 6. That's going to be Michael Chilton. Chilton looking good to Size. Size hanging on. Chilton a little loose. He's going to get real loose in the middle of 3 and 4. What a great save. That's going to allow Shane Greco into number 33. There goes Walls to the low side. Make it 2x2 in turn 3, 1 and 2. Walls gets a good run off the bottom of a turn number 2. Great battle as Greco's going to look back to the outside as they still battle side by side. Here comes the number 23. That's going to be Tim Darron. Darron Darren now digging his way to the inside. You've got the number 33 of Greco there. It's going to be Walls going to be hanging on to that third spot. As that number 73 of Trevor Sides is driving away through the field. You've got Michael Chilton at number 6 right there behind him. But the battle's going to be for that third spot. Walls going to watch to the outside. Greco's going to look to the inside. As Greco tiptoes behind number 23. That's going to be Tim Darren. Darren's on the inside. Walls going to go to the outside. What a show for the third place spot. Walls able to now to pull to the outside, and number 14 continues to roar to the outside. As the number 23 of Tim's going to look to the inside in the middle 3 and 4. As Trevor Size and Michael Chilton still battling out. As the 14 machine is still Logan Walls hanging on to that third place spot. Walls going to lose it in the top of the turn 1 and 2. They're going to go door to door. That number 23 machine of Tim down. As Darren's going to look to the inside, Walls to the outside. Will we see a slide jump in 3 and 4? No, we won't. As the 73 of Trevor Hines is able to get it done. Here's the number 6 of Chilton going to be for second. That battle for third as Walls still hangs on to number 14. White flag in the air for the number 73 of Trevor Size. It'll go to Michael Chilton. Here's the 14 of Logan Walls. As the number 23 machine of Tim Darren, Shane Greco, and Kevin McCollum running out through the field. Too little too late as the 44 Nick Gurman's going to pull it in as it goes to Size. It'll go to Chilton. Walls, Darren, Greco will round out the field. That's your finishing order for the Outside Groove Heat Race number 2. Trevor Sides going to be your winner. Michael Chilton will be for second. Logan Walls will be for third. Tim Darren will be for fourth. Meanwhile, Shane Greco, and it'll go to Caleb Markham.